Hi bestie, in today's video I'll be doing some cash stuffing and opening up some Happy Mail that I received. So if you're interested into cash stuffing, saving money, and want to see some of the new saving challenges that I received, this video just might be for you. So let's go ahead and get started. Hi bestie, welcome to my channel. I have some Happy Mail. Hopefully all is well with you and yours. Let me know in the chat how you doing with an emoji. If you're new to my page, welcome. So glad that you're here with me today. And if you've been here before, welcome back. So glad that you're here. So first, this is my Simply Tea Ko-Fi membership here. I already opened it, guys. I just could not wait. And I'm glad I didn't wait because this stuff is so pretty. This is her thank you card. Got a pink sticker here, and this is what's included with the membership. She has a monthly membership on Ko-Fi, and this is what included all these different saving challenges, and it's an animal print theme. And when I saw the animal print, that's what sold me, guys. So that's everything. Oh, and also she did include a planner card with it, but that's in my planner. And I tried to include a picture of the Budget Babe planner card that she included with this. So let me add these saving challenges to my binder. I was like, since this dismount has my animal print planner disc, I thought it would be perfect to add it to this one here. So how are you doing today? Hopefully all is well. We are in the fourth quarter of the year. This one, okay, so this one is kind of too long to fit. It'll be too, it look like it'll be too tight. So I'll put that in another, somewhere else. Okay. Not sure when I will start these saving challenges, but I really like this one right here and this one. I'm going to place this one in my front pocket. And then for the scratch off challenges that I got, they will go into my scratch off binder. But I'm looking forward to starting these. Like I said, I don't know when. I probably will start it in probably 2026 probably. We'll see. We'll see. And let me add these scratch offs to the scratch off binder. And I'm thinking about I might end up moving these scratch off challenges. So I have these binders in other colors as well. These A5 dispel systems, I used to sell them in my shop, but I have some left over and I might change it to the black cover because I have it in red, white, blue, black, and gray. We'll see. Alright, so now let's open up this one. This is what I received from Dreamer Budgets. I won. She had a recent giveaway and I won. I was really shocked. So let me go ahead and open this up. I cannot find my scissors. I don't remember what I did with them. I'm gonna have to bring another pair of scissors in here and I have to try to figure how I'm gonna open this up because she has this thing secured well. Now, I remember participating in the giveaway, but I don't remember what the prize is. Alright, so let's see what I won. Got a little cute little paper clip. I might end up putting that in my pocket planner because that would be absolutely perfect for that. Okay, so I have a teller slip, included 2 teller slips, have 2 IOUs. Alright, let me go ahead and open this up. Okay. Okay, so this is her Set It Off movie thing savings challenges. Cool, and I can add those to my personal discount system. And let's open up this one, and these are the scratch off challenges here. Okay. Alright, so these are too cute. So cute. So I can add those to my scratch off binders. So I think going in 2026, I'm definitely going to set up a plan of how I want to do all the different scratch off challenges that I have in here. Because I definitely have enough to start off the year, and that's going to be great. So when I plan out how I want to save and what my focus will be for 2026. Alright, so let's go ahead and place these in the binder. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and place them in this one with the Simply Tea challenges that I got. Okay, and this one, I'm gonna place this one in another binder. Since it has a set amount, now I just gotta decide on which one I want to place it in. Let's place it in this one. Because I have to set up this binder. Because this one, I've completed all my challenges and I'm going to have to set things up. Okay, so now that I've opened up my Happy Meal, make sure you check those ladies out and I have their information in the description. So these are some challenges that I've printed off that I will plan on working on. And the bingo challenge is a freebie that's available in my Ko-Fi shop. I did a breast cancer thing with that. And then I made these mini saving challenges with what's recognized in the month of October. My printer is kind of off. I was running out of ink, so the colors are kind of different. And here's another challenge that I purchased this one from Miss Sadie. So all of the challenges that I've showed today, I'll make sure I have any of the content creators or fellow cash budgeters information in the description if you're interested in their challenges. Alright, so now let's go ahead and get into my cash stuffing. I have budgeted to cash stuff or save $50 for this week. And one of the challenges that I want to complete from September is my bingo challenge. I need to complete the last 2 weeks of this challenge. So I know I'm going to I'm going to have to condense the $50. And first, let's look at this challenge here. Alright, so for week 3, for B, if I stayed within my budget, I did. Okay. But let me double check to make sure that I did. Yep, I stayed within my budget. So I can cash stuff that amount. And I did earn some interest and some dividends. Alright, so that's $9 there. And then for the 4th week, just double check to make sure I stayed within my budget. And I did stay within my budget. Alright. And that's for B and I. I did earn interest and dividends. Alright. So I need to cash stuff $18. And we're gonna go ahead and break change with this one. So let me get, I typically will use my sinking funds binder to condense this. I'm gonna see if in one of my other binders, I'm not sure if I have enough lower bills, because I'm thinking about when it comes to doing saving challenges, and I think I want to do the mini challenge this week and saving with friends, or my awareness challenge this week. So I don't think I have enough lower bills to do to condense this one. I don't think I have enough $1 bills or $2 bills in this binder. So it looks like, yeah, I'm gonna have to pour from my sinking funds binder. I was just trying to see. It'll be a way for me to condense some of my other binders from the lower bills. So I know my Christmas savings challenge sinking funds. I know I have a lot of lower bills in this one because I've completed several of my Christmas challenges recently. Alright, so I should be good with condensing the $50 with this one. So let's go ahead and break this money down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Alright, so I have 21s. Okay, let's see what else I can do. Alright, so I do have some 5s and 10s. Alright, so if I take the 2 5s, that's 30. Should I do all 2s for the rest? Alright, so let's go ahead and take this 10. That'll make it 40. And then let's do the rest $2 bills. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Alright. And I'm going to recount it to make sure that it does reconcile. And it is $50. Alright, let's go ahead and count this to make sure. 10, 15, 20, 2, 4, 6, 8, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. Alright, so it does reconcile, and I can place the $50 in my sinking funds. Alright, 10. Which bills I want to use for the $18? Because I'm thinking about my other challenges that I want to do. Because I do want to do some spicy. That's why I took some 5s out. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Alright. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay. Yeah, because when I do the mini savings challenge, I know I'm doing my mini savings challenge. I do want to make sure I have my $5 bill towards spicy. Alright, so let me add these amounts up so I know how much I saved all together. Alright, so I've completed the savings challenge. And I will reallocate it later to the sinking funds that I'm going to apply it to. And I'm just going to place this in my tray for now. But I'm set for this week to do my other challenges. And I'm excited about the mini challenges and see how long it takes me to complete that. That pen don't work. Let me find another marker. Because with the mini challenges, I have a variety of challenges in that one, in the mini binder. Because I do have some awareness in there, but I do have some Halloween. There's some Black Friday challenges in there. I do want to add the October awareness, the mini challenges I have, but I think I have a whole lot of challenges already in my mini binder. And I might not have any room to add any additional in there. I'll have to see. But I have so many different challenges in that one. So make sure you check out the first Freebie Friday video that I did last week. But yeah, check that out. And like I said, I'm gonna place this to the side in my cash tray. And if you're interested in this detachable cash tray, I'll have the information in my subscription. It does come in black, pink, white, and clear. But I want to thank you so, so much for joining me in today's cash stuffing. Please like, comment, and if you're not subscribed, hopefully you decide to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. Alright, bestie, have an awesome day. Toodles!